welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Happy 4th of July, Independence Day. Last night, the culinary expedition continued another night. I'm not going to attempt the Ukrainian. It translates roughly to Ukrainian sauerkraut soup. I just started liking sauerkraut, about 10 years ago. But I was not hesitant to try this soup. It's yummy. Now, because being the soup king, remember, I am the soup king in this kitchen. Robin's the soup queen. I really wish she could have tried this soup. I played with the method. I didn't change the ingredients, just the method. Because I felt my method was better to give us a better end product. It's very good. Fortunately, the sauerkraut I used is a mildish sauerkraut. It doesn't have a lot of juice, a lot of brine. I think that helped a little. Try this recipe. It's really good. Now, you might want to wait until, again, I know 2 soups in a matter of 3 days in 90 to almost 100 degree weather. I get it. So, tonight was supposed to be Friday. Well, it is Friday, but it's supposed to be a pasta night. But because I took the night off the other day, I have bumped up or moved what I was supposed to make the other night to tonight. So, deja vu. All right, here we are. The past into the future. Teriyaki shrimp, pineapple, rice stack. I'm just going to gloss over the ingredients. All right, let's go. Hardware's out. We got rice. We got garlic powder. We have chicken stock, sesame oil, soy sauce for the first layer. Shrimp, teriyaki sauce, honey, and ginger for the second layer. And the third layer is pineapple chunks. So these are the goodies for tonight's rice stack. And with that, on this 4th of July, have a great day. Please be safe. Eat great food and have fun cooking.